Hello dear friend, welcome to another video. My name is Afzal. Today we are discuss about spring surprises on Get Data website. So dear friend, register, invite and hold GT to win limited merchandise. Join the GT holding group. Win merchandise as the daily luckiest GT holder. So dear friend, I open article, give you more information about this event. If you not make Get Data account, I give you link description. You go make account and complete your identity verification. Now dear friend, I open article. You can see Get Data website spring surprises, register, invite and hold GT to win limited merchandise. And you can see surprise is a spring in the air and luck is on your side. So Get Data website exclusive spring rewards, and you can see event is here. Register and invite and hold as a GT coin to unlock as a multiple surprises, win limited edition merchandise and enjoy non-stop lucky draw. So dear friend, this is a button about joining this event, and this event time period you can see March 4 to March 14 UTC. Now dear friend, we discuss about number 1 as a reward number 1, and this is a new user exclusive gifts. So dear friend, new user who register and achieve net buying as a 1 as a GT coin can enter a lucky draw for a branded merchandise. And new user who register and achieve net buying as a 100 GT and 100% as a receive one gift from the collection limited to the first 100 user FCFS. This is a registration button, and I already give you link description. You can registration account and join this event. Now dear friend, we discuss about gift collection includes, okay dear friend, and you can see unlock golden bull as a sculpture 10th unit and the 10th anniversary medal set as a college song animal and painting get as a trendy art stickboard tea set quick dry sport wear set branded hoodie and a square as a branded cushion umbrella pro. And now dear friend, we discuss about as a reward number 2. We are discuss already gifts. This is the all gift as a 10th anniversary has a medal set and other you can see. And now dear friend, we discuss as a reward number 2. You can see as a invite and earn. This is a invite and earn. So dear friend, invite friends to register via your referral link or code and achieve net buying as 1 GT. You will enter as a referral for exclusive merchandise. Invite as a friend to achieve net buying as 100 GT. You will receive as a 100% claim one gift limited to the first 100 refer FCFS. So dear friend, this is again gift about as includes and we are already discussed. So dear friend, get your referral code, click on link and access on page and invite friend, copy as an exclusive invitation code and share with your friend as a participant. Now dear friend, number 3 as a reward as a hold GT. This is a very important and be the luckiest. So you can see join the GT holding groups daily as a random draw for users who post as a 5 message daily as a 5 message a day to win as a piece of merchandise as the daily luckiest GT hodler. Now dear friend, we are discuss about as a gift already we are discussing, and now we are discuss about GT VIP as a group exclusive. So dear friend, you can see as a we are discuss about this point and join the GT VIP group. Send your desired as a merchandise in the group chat with the hashtag as you can see hashtag spring rewards fortune stars. This is a hashtag and complete your registration for the event. Claim 100 guaranteed as a gift tea set or clothing and animal as you can see the painting requirement hold about 10,000, okay, 10,000 GT coins. So how you join as a GT holding groups? Number 1, you can see hold as a 10 GT. You can see dear friend, hold as a 10 GT and click the official as a verification board to enter your get.io UID, and you can see our contact admins on official communities to get the group's invite link. Now dear friend, this is a notice about this event, and we are click as a final you can see join button and join this event. Now dear friend, I click this button and join this event, and you can see how to join this event. You can see as a time about this event as a 9 day 15 hour. This is the time, and this is the same information we are already discussed, dear friend, as a register for a new user. And you can see invite your friend and hold about the GT for lucky user. And now, dear friend, we click on this as a joining button and join this event as a simply click, and you can register on this event. So dear friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for more latest videos. Thank you.